Hey guys, today we are talking sweet treats. We all need an indulgence every once in a while. So today we're gonna make fried dough, which makes me really nostalgic because I grew up with Italian grandparents on my dad's side, and my grandmother would always make huge platters of fried dough when we would sleep over. And I am telling you something, if there's one thing that happened anytime I slept over there or went over there, we had sweets out the wazoo, and I probably gained 2, 3, 4, 5 pounds every visit. I kid you not. They forced food on you, and even if you were so full, it was like, honey, you gotta eat. Good times, really, really good times. Great memories, great childhood. OMG, Italians, we're all about the food. So I'm gonna show you 2 different styles of fried dough today, and then we are gonna do a comparison because I've made both, and the kids always say they like them both. But today is gonna be the real test because I'm gonna make them both and try them. We're all gonna try them and vote, and we're gonna decide, is the pizza dough style of fried dough better or the one that we make with baking powder? So here we go. This is pizza dough that I made in my KitchenAid mixer. You can buy pizza dough, you can make pizza dough. If you'd like to make this particular pizza dough that I made, you can actually go to my tomato pie video. I'll put a link at the end of this video so it makes it really easy for you. And it's step by step how to make the dough. It's been rising for over an hour, so as you can see, it's nice and swollen. And basically, you just tear it into pieces, pop it in hot oil. Okay, the other version of fried dough, which is faster, is really simple, okay? So Juliet has a nice big mixing bowl, and we start with 2 cups of flour. This happens to be an organic all-purpose flour. Okay, tap it a little bit. So there's one.
Everywhere.
It's okay. Okay. So 2 cups of flour, great job, cutie. And 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Try to get the one that's non-GMO. You have to make sure you go right to the top of those spoons, okay? Yeah.
One more?
Yeah, one more. She's been dying to film this video. That's good, don't tap too much off. Okay, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 3/4 teaspoon of salt. That's it. Now, those are your dry ingredients, and you're gonna go ahead and mix them well with a spoon. And while she does that, I'm gonna get the butter out of the fridge.
This looks like fried dough.
Mix. How's it coming?
Good.
All right, good. So
Can I
a quick mix with the dry, then you're gonna put 2 tablespoons of cubed up butter that has to be cold. And the best way to mix that in is I take a fork and I actually press, yeah, you have to press really, really hard, and and you press the butter into the flour until the whole mixture is nice and crumbly. And then we add water, mix it, that's it. It's really simple.
cheese on it?
It looks like cheese, but it's butter. Cutie.
It looks like cheese.
You ready for your big day tomorrow?
No.
No?
It's school tomorrow.
It's school tomorrow. Summer went quick, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
What grade are you going into?
1st grade.
Wow. What else is happening this week?
My birthday.
What is it this week?
My birthday.
Yay.
It's almost my birthday.
So I'm just gonna give her a helping hand here. I'm gonna spin the bowl as you press it. Just get rid of any butter chunks. You did good, Juliet. You really did.
I will mix it while you do that.
Good. So now it's crumbly, and we're gonna add 3/4 of a cup of room temp or slightly lukewarm water.
I want to let me do it.
Okay. Nice and slow, please. Okay, good.
Yeah. Can I mix?
Okay, mix it until it forms into a nice
Okay. Wait.
ball of dough. All right, so Juliet has done an amazing job of getting this mixed. The best way to really get it smooth is get your hands in there. And I got it, babe.
Let me just do it.
Hang on. So it'll be a little bit on the sticky side, which is fine. Okay, and then just put it in a ball, and we're gonna let it kind of just rest in this bowl for 15 minutes. While this dough rests, we're gonna start frying up the pizza dough, okay? Okay, so the next thing you wanna do is get a heavy stock pot or a deep fryer. And I like to use grapeseed oil to fry in because it's a high heat oil. So this is a 25 ounce. I went ahead and poured the whole thing into the pan, and you wanna get it heated to 375 degrees. So then we're gonna just go ahead and take pieces of our dough. Here, this one's for you, and you're gonna watch mommy, okay? We'll break this into probably 8 or 10 pieces. So you break a piece, and I kind of flatten it, my hands a little bit, and then you're gonna pull it into kind of discs.
Kind of like slime.
Okay, it's gonna puff up in the oil. Kind of like slime, yeah.
Wait, I need
Are
to
you doing it like
restart.
mommy, like this?
I need to restart.
Okay, and very carefully drop it into the oil. And you're gonna fry these until they are golden brown on both sides. A few minutes on each side typically. And this pan's only gonna hold 3 to 4 at a time max. So we're gonna have to do several batches. And the other dough that I made with baking powder, I put a towel on top of it and it's resting. Pull a little more. See the size of mommy's? Like that.
But it makes holes.
I'll help you. Let me see.
Look. Now we'll do the next one. Because I feel like it's little.
Here, let me help you.
It's so little.
Yeah. We can make some littler ones too. It's okay.
Okay, I will make
Right here.
a little one.
Remember what I showed you? Ready? Okay, flatten it. And now gently pull like this so you don't put holes. Look.
Again, I need holes.
All right.
I'm just gonna.
No. Another one won't fit, so we're gonna wait. You did pretty good, cutie. We can get the rest ready. I can get a plate in a second. Put yours right there. Okay, so let's just sneak a peek. Okay, not golden yet. Okay, so we'll give those a few minutes and then we'll do another batch. Okay, the first batch of these is done and they're definitely just a lighter golden color. Took about 8 minutes, and just that tongue going in there, it gets
Sorry
nice,
about that. I'll just
nice
go
and
do
crispy.
something.
So I'm putting them on paper towels to kind of soak up the oil. And you can sprinkle these with, as I said earlier, granulated sugar or powdered sugar. The sugar of choice in this house is powdered sugar, and I have organic powdered sugar. Can you grab it for me with a spoon, honey? And it looks like we got like 14 or 15 discs out of that pizza dough. They're sticking together a little bit. So we're gonna do another batch. Yeah, if we stack them, they stick. And as the oil gets hotter, they're gonna cook faster. Let me turn it down a little bit. So sprinkle them right away with the sugar, as much or as little as you want. I like to coat the top. Some of it falls off anyway.
They stick together.
You could drizzle chocolate on them too.
OMG, they look so yummy.
You excited?
I always say OMG.
Yeah, it's your favorite. I know you guys got mommy saying it too. All right, we're flipping those in a minute. So we'll get the
So, see you guys
We'll get the rest of these fried up and then we'll move on to the next one. So on the pizza dough version, we got 15, which is a good amount. So this one's been sitting and I'm just gonna give it a quick knead with my hands, smooth it out a little bit.
Can I try? It's too heavy.
You think so?
Yeah.
Just careful with hot oil. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing all over again. Break it into pieces, and this we're not gonna get as many for sure. Maybe we'll get 8 to 10, I'm thinking. So remember, stretch, flatten, and stretch. We're gonna have a whole lot of fried dough today, am I right? Good thing the boys are coming over.
So everyone can have some. Is this kind of big?
Stretch it, shape it, gently put it in the oil.
I want to try.
Juliet, I don't want you to get burnt. Here.
It's kind of like slime. Because slime's really sticky and all that. Like
Both sticky. This one a little stickier from the butter.
Mama, do your next one.
So 4 at a time in this size pan.
I'm not going to burn myself this time.
But I don't want to get it on your shirt. Okay, so we're going to let those get golden, flip them, fry the rest, and then we are going to do the taste test comparison. Okay, so the frying took some time, but we're done. And I got 8 out of the baking powder batch, 15 out of the pizza dough. She's got 0 patience, so she's already started. So taste testers are here, and we're gonna do a side-by-side comparison and see which fried dough is best. So go ahead and start with the baking powder, and then
I'm starting with the
that's pizza dough.
I'm starting with pizza dough.
Okay, and pizza dough is next, girls. You want to do a bite of one and then a bite of the other? It's up to you.
This is good. Okay. Let's see how the pizza dough.
Juliet.
It's good, but it's hot. Cut mine down. I have my power off. Opinion. I'm not gonna say.
Okay,
yes.
finish chewing and then tell me. Oh, good. You got an opinion quick.
And then go to the table. Look what happened to my shirt.
Look at your face. All right, now I'm gonna try pizza dough.
Okay.
Let's see if we all agree. Did we all try both?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the verdict?
Pizza dough.
Pizza
dough.
Pizza dough, I agree. So for sure, the pizza dough is better, guys, so that you know.
They're both really good.
Both really good. Yeah, you're right. Both really good. Pizza dough better. I don't know if it's that yeasty flavor I'm catching.
It just tastes way softer and better.
Cutie. So that's it. We're gonna get them all jacked up on some sugar. It's gonna be a great day. And wish me luck. Remember that all my videos are down below. You can also go to my website, dashofamy.com. And, am I forgetting anything?
Like, subscribe, and comment.
Cutie.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Have a great day.